Hi, my name is Eric Northwick, and I am President and CEO of iQuality Design. Our website is iQualityDesign.com. I've been in internet marketing and web design field for quite a few years, and I've learned that building a website that sells, that converts, is something that is not quite understood so much in the internet world. And it's really not that difficult to do. Some very simple things that you can do that will convert your visitors into customers. And there's a huge difference between a website that's just up there and a website that's actually acting as your sales agent. And I'm going to teach you some vital design mistakes to avoid, 5 vital design mistakes to avoid. Mind-blowing information that will put you ahead of your competition. And it's really not that mind-blowing, except that most websites don't get this. And so in that sense, it's mind-blowing because it's really simple stuff. And so I hope you learned something here, and let's get started. So 5 vital design mistakes to avoid. First thing, a lot of people build a website and they don't understand why they're building a website. They think that they need a web presence because the internet is the next, the wave of the future, and they want to be on that wave. But you know, a web is like having a salesperson 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And you've got to understand that. You've got to understand what it is that you want your website to accomplish, how you want it to accomplish that before you build it. Just putting up a website, just to have a website up, will not accomplish your purpose. You got to understand beforehand what it is that you're trying to do. Know why you want to build a site before you build it. So, first vital design mistake to avoid is not knowing your purpose. Is building a fancy website, and this is all over the internet. There are some amazing designers out there that do incredible stuff, and it's fun. And I like to explore some great designs and some great concepts. It's a good hobby to do. But you've got to realize that most graphic designers are first and foremost artists, and they don't know marketing. And so most of the time when you go to a web developer and you have them build a website, they're building something that they can put in their portfolio that's going to look good. But you've got to understand there is a difference between art and marketing. Art and marketing often don't mix. And there's a balance there. You've got to create a balance between art and marketing. You've got to design with your user in mind, not just to create a fancy website, but you got to know what it is that your user is looking for, what your visitors are looking for, and you got to provide that content. And then you draw people into the form, the contact form, or the phone number, whatever it is that you're trying to get the visitors to do to convert into customers. So understand, building a fancy website and paying all kinds of money for a really cool website may not accomplish your purpose. So that's number 2. Website design mistake. 3 is not planning for traffic. This is something that you do in the beginning. As you build your website, you plan for the traffic. You got to understand where the traffic will come from, and then you design the website, the pages, the colors, and the code in the website so that you're targeting where that traffic is coming from. And understanding how you're going to market your website is going to change how you design the website. So this is important. Search engine friendly websites and all of that needs to be planned out before time. Don't just put up a website. Let's get it ready for traffic. Okay. Number 3, vital design mistake is make it hard to contact you. Now this is a huge problem with websites across the internet where visitors are clicking here and there trying to figure out how to contact the person, the website owner, and it's not a hard thing to do. You need to make it easy to contact. Make your contact information easy to find. And the way that I do this often, and depends on the website, on the purpose. Again, the purpose, the traffic, all of that is considered. But often I'll put the form right on the front page, the contact form, especially for a service business. Putting the contact information form right on the front page, a request for an estimate right on the front page is extremely huge in converting sales. Huge. Making it easy for people to find that contact information. So that's number 4, vital design mistake to avoid. 5, making what you do hard to find. This needs to be something that the first thing that users see, that visitors see on your website, is a short description of what you do. And this is usually at the top of the website. If you go to my website, iQualityDesign.com, you'll notice at the top it says Quality Website Design. Well, that's because that's what I do. So there's no confusion for my visitors. They know right off the bat what I do, and if what I do is what they're looking for. So this is pretty information. The headline at the top is vital to helping your visitors understand what you do, and it helps keep your visitors on your site. You've got 3 seconds to convince your visitors that you have what they're looking for. And if you've targeted your website toward the keywords, when someone comes to your website, then chances are high that you do offer what it is that they're looking for. But if they don't see that right in the top of your website, they don't see residential, commercial, landscape design artist, or whatever it is that you do, right at the top of the website, they're going to click out and go to the next one. They don't want to waste their time trying to figure out if you're what they're looking for when there's 100 other people down the list. So 5 vital design mistakes to avoid, and there's 2 more steps you need to take to get your website ready, built, and ready for converting visitors, for attracting visitors and converting them into sales. Number 1, register for our newsletter. Great information in there on what you can do, simple ways that you can get traffic to your website. And it's not hard, really. It's not hard. There's some basic, very simple ways that you can do it using Google and Yahoo, the major search engines, Bing, and then also Facebook and Twitter, and some great information. So I highly recommend that if you're looking to bring clients into your business, if you want to make your business grow through your website, you've got to register for a newsletter. The information there is free, and it's good stuff, and it's important stuff. So, and then secondly, call the information or contact us. Call our phone number or contact us for a free consultation. It is free, and we will work hard to understand your business, and then give you a quote for building a website, and then a quote for what it takes to get users, traffic to your website. So give us a call for a free consultation, and let's get started getting your website, your business on the web and attracting people. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been helpful to you, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.